Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss the topic noun gender. By the end of this video you will be able to understand what is gender, to identify masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender, and form the feminine gender nouns from masculine gender nouns. So open your grammar magic book chapter noun gender. Before beginning with today's topic, we'll first revise what are nouns. We have already discussed this topic in your previous videos. So, what are nouns? Nouns are the names of persons, places, things, or animals, etc. Nouns are also called as naming words. For example, mother, father, cow, pig, table, book, school. All these are naming words. So, noun. Let's begin with today's topic, that is gender and its types. So first of all, you should know what is gender. Gender is a system of differentiating nouns and pronouns as one of the following, that is masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Or we can say it is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Now we'll discuss different types of gender, which are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. We'll discuss all these types of gender in detail, in which first one is masculine gender. What are masculine gender? The nouns that refer to male persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, man, father, king, nephew and dog fall under this category. We can say names of all male persons or animals are said to be of masculine gender. For example, boy, king, lion, brother, uncle, grandfather. All these are the names of male persons, so masculine gender. Next type is feminine gender. The nouns that refer to female persons or animals are said to be of the feminine gender. Nouns like bride, wife, mare, and queen fall under this category. Or we can say names of all female persons or animals are said to be of feminine gender. For example, sister, aunt, grandmother, mother, all these are the names of female persons, so feminine gender. Next is common gender. So what are common gender? The nouns that refer to both male and female are said to be of the common gender. For example, baby, pupil, person, doctor, friend, etc. are some examples of common gender. Now these baby, pupil, person, doctor, friend can be male or female, so these are common gender. We'll discuss some more common genders, which are parent, child, student, servant, friend, cousin, member, teacher. All these are the words or nouns which can be used for male or female both, and we use the pronoun they or them for common gender. Next type is neuter gender. So what are neuter gender? The nouns that refer to non-living things are said to be of the neuter gender. The word neuter means neither, that is neither male nor female. So these are lifeless things. Nouns like table, gold, train, paper, etc. are some examples of neuter gender. All these are non-living things, so neuter gender. We'll discuss some more neuter gender, which are chair, tree, mountain, book, school, pencil, table, star, street, car, paper, computer. All these are non-living things, so neuter gender. Now we'll discuss some rules related to conversion of masculine gender to feminine gender. So basically there are three ways of forming the feminine of nouns. So in this, first is by using an entirely different word. In this case, the feminine of a masculine noun is a totally different word. Like first is wizard, and feminine of wizard is witch. Next is nephew, and feminine is niece. Next is bull, cow, man, woman, husband, wife, uncle, aunt, dog, bitch, king, queen, father, mother, sir, madam. So all these masculine gender have their feminine an entirely different word. Next is by adding ESS to the masculine. In this case, we form the feminine gender by adding ESS to the masculine gender. For example, host, we have added ESS to host and formed hostess. Poet, poetess, prince, princess, heir, heiress, author, authoress, lion, lioness, giant, giantess, and Jew, Jewess. And next is by placing a word before or after. In this type, we'll add a word before or after the masculine noun and form their feminine. First is grandfather, grandmother, peacock, peahen, landlord, landlady, washerman, washerwoman, beggarman, beggarwoman, he got, she got, milkman, milkmaid, bull calf, bull cow. So these all were the rules related to conversion of masculine gender to their feminine gender. Now we'll discuss one exercise in which you have to give the gender of the nouns in color. So there are the sentences in which some words are in red. You have to tell the gender. In this exercise, children generally get confused. They tell the opposite gender, but what you have to do, you have to tell the gender of the highlighted word. So first is there are 30 boys in our class. Number 2, the prince rode on a mare. Number 3, the princess played with her lamb. Number 4, the mother loved the child. And the last is the teacher loves his pupils. Now we'll discuss this exercise. So in the first sentence, boys related to male person, so masculine gender. Class, it comes under non-living things, so neuter gender. Then is the prince rode on a mare, prince related to male person, so masculine gender. Mare related to female person, so feminine gender. Next is the princess played with her lamb, princess related to female person, so feminine gender. Lamb, it can be male or female both, so common gender. Next is the mother loved the child, mother related to female person, so feminine. Child, it can be male or female, so common gender. Next is the teacher loves his pupils. In this, teacher again can be male or female, so common gender. Pupils can be male or female, so common gender. Now we'll discuss one more exercise in which you have to give the feminine of the following. So these are son, nephew, husband, cock, prince, shepherd, peacock. Now in this exercise you have to give the opposite gender. So first is son, feminine of son is daughter, nephew niece, husband wife, cock hen, prince princess, shepherd shepherdess, peacock peahen. So student, today in this video we have discussed Gender and its type. There are 4 types of gender, that is masculine gender. The male noun is called as the masculine gender. For example, boy, husband, tiger, lion, etc. Second, we have discussed feminine gender. The female noun is called the feminine gender. For example, girl, wife, tigress, lioness, etc. Next is common gender. A noun that refers to both the male and the female is called the common gender. For example, friend, doctor, teacher, child, student, etc. Last is neuter gender. Some nouns are non-living things. They cannot be categorized as male or female. Such nouns are called as the neuter gender. For example, toy, pencil, book, box, etc. All these are non-living things. So, neuter gender. Students, now follow the SNAP homework schedule and do the related exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day.